back again.
Mom, where's my
I'm
back?
super tired, guys. I just woke up. So, we're exercising. I'm gonna give you a quick update of my sleep. We might make some cookies today too, so that's also good. This slime is like really good. I made this yesterday. Yeah, I had to make it. I'm just playing with it for now. So I'm gonna go all the way down. Nothing good here. It still like mashed the potatoes. That's why I want to turn it down. I'm going to show you mine. Hold up. Here it is, right here. Oh yeah, I was doing this today, this morning. I just need something to eat. Yeah, so that's a quick update of my slime, and I might take you along with me when my mom and I go shopping. So that's good, and yeah.